Hello friends, in this video lecture we discuss medical termination of pregnancy MTP and sexually transmitted disease STD. First of all, we define the medical termination of pregnancy MTP. So it is nothing but the intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before the full term, right? This is also called induced abortion. Government of India legalized the MTP in 1971 and from 1972 it comes into the force. MTP is relatively safer during the first trimester of the pregnancy, that is the first 12 week of the pregnancy, but it is very risky by the second trimester or more than that, and the MTP can only be done by the registered medical practitioners. So now the question is that why MTP is required. So MTP is required in the case when the continuation of pregnancy might be dangerous to the mother first, second, the substantial risk to the child being born like with serious handicap, third, the pregnancy is due to rape, the fourth, unwanted pregnancy due to the failure of contraceptive devices, right? Now in 2017 India government comes with an amendment in the MTP. In this amendment says that MTP can be done in the first 12 week by the recommendation of only one medical practitioner or registered medical practitioner, but after that it requires two medical practitioners with certain recommendations with regard to the danger with respect to the mother as well as to the child. Another topic is the sexually transmitted disease STD. STD is also called venereal disease because it was discovered in the Venereal Disease Institute USA Research Laboratory, BDRL laboratory. This is also called reproductive tract infection, RTI. Some common STDs are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, etc. etc. Among them, HIV is very dangerous, right? HIV and hepatitis B can also be transmitted by sharing of the injection needles, surgical instrument, transfusion of blood, infected mother to the fetus also. Except hepatitis B and genital herpes as well as the HIV, three diseases, hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV, the other STDs are curable. These three are not curable or very difficult to cure. The symptoms, it includes itching, the fluid discharge from the sex organ, slight pain, swelling. Two very important things which makes the STD very dangerous. The first, it is asymptomatic, and second is the social stigma. These two things make the patient to not check the timely about the STDs, and it will be very dangerous in the later part of their life, and it may lead to the PID, pelvic inflammatory disease, in which the upper reproductive tracts are infected, many cases abortion, stillbirth, dead birth, ectopic pregnancy means the implantation occurs apart from the uterus, infertility, and in some cases it leads to the cancers of the reproductive tract also. So STD are the major threat of the society, or we can say the healthy society. So it is very necessary to prevent during the early phase of the MTP, and this is the one of the consideration under the RCH programs. So the any age group person is vulnerable to STD, but the most prominent age group is the 15 to 24 years. Preventions are always in the hand of a person. if they follow some principles which are given below, like avoid sex with the unknown partners or multiple partners, always use condoms during the coitus. In case of doubt, go to a qualified doctor, and early detection and get complete treatment if diagnosed with the disease. Okay, this table gives you the classification of the STDs by the bacterial agent, viral agent, and protozoan agent. This is a very important slide. So bacterial disease or bacterial STD are gonorrhea and syphilis. Gonorrhea is due to the Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Syphilis is due to the Treponema pallidum. Viral disease, the genital herpes, this is due to the herpes simplex virus. Hepatitis B due to the hepatitis B virus. AIDS due to the HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, right? Third category is the protozoa, right? So trichomoniasis is the disease, STD, which is due to the Trichomoniasis vaginalis, right? So this table is very important for you. If this video is useful for you, you press like, share and subscribe button and write comments in the comment box. Thank you very much.